What's up there, YouTube, man? It's a sunny day, a sunny Monday, and it's a money-making Monday, man. I had so many apartments to do this week that I'm looking forward to it. Hopefully my team can handle it on their own, but it looks like I might have to get on in there, man. It's a lot. Man, look, today, let's see if I can get you out. Today we got an exciting day. We're gonna do it like this. Today we got an exciting day. We have 2 walkthroughs to do today. We had team doing about 4 apartments. I have another person to see after 2:30 about a office that they need cleaning for the apartment complex as well. Man, but it's a busy day, man. It's a busy day. I'm grateful to have work to come in. I remember when the time that I didn't have work for people to work. Now I have so much work that I'm having to work, and that's a great feeling. Man, we on the journey, man. We on the journey. A lot of big things going on over here in the center, and my life in general. And I try to, segment it and keep it away from each other, so I can get the cleaning videos for the cleaning people and the other stuff for the other people. But I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna deliver the goods. And man, we're gonna grow, man. We're gonna grow. We're gonna get it, because wishing ain't doing enough. If you out here that want it like I'm wanting it and I'm getting it, then we're gonna get it together, man. That's all it's about. Over here, all the rest of that stuff, we can get that later. Let's see where we headed to. Get back to you.
It's really easy kind of, because I do the sewer flat and all of it antique white.
Okay.
So no matter if it's bathroom or kitchens, it's all antique white, eggshell.
So this one needs to be done now?
No. It already got somebody doing this.
Okay.
So I didn't know if I was going to show up or not, so I had to schedule it beforehand. But y'all can probably do the next one.
Okay, no problem. We definitely do the next one.
It's all antique eggshell white.
Okay.
Now the ceiling's flat white.
Okay.
So there's one to go. So it's not, difficult. I mean, that's what the painting though.
Yeah.
Y'all going to do the cleaning.
We're just doing the cleaning, yes.
Yeah, okay.
So yeah, you
Some of them does both, I
Yeah.
So this is just one bedroom,
Okay.
It's
So we
all
come in
bathroom, one bathroom, and the 2 bedrooms over there. It's just got another room up there. It's still one bathroom though. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So I'll get you a full pan down the office.
Okay.
Make sure you pull the stove and refrigerators out clean down.
Yes, sir. We definitely pull stove and refrigerators out. Put stove and refrigerator out. These don't have.
Doing this.
Oh yeah, we have actually a checklist, and I think our checklist is a little extensive compared to what we do here. But we have a checklist we go by. And of course, we have.
My checklist.
Yeah, you got one like that? So we have that. Yeah, we have one that and she made mention of wiping these windows too. Yeah. She did say something about that.
I know you have to take this out to do it. It's just not hard. You can pop it right out. Y'all been in business for long? Or?
Yes, we've been in business going on 4 years now. We started with commercial cleaning, and but I don't do residential.
My wife does it too. She owns her own cleaning.
Yes, I wanted to do residential, but I don't like cleaning when people at home. That's what she does, residential. Yeah, see, the liability on that is.
Yeah,
I know. I have to find good people to go in and stay.
Like over a base now on your $1,000.
Yeah. And so yes, I didn't want to take that. I'd rather come in here where the building's empty, get it clean. I got my inspector come behind that.
You got somebody standing over here.
Yeah. Less stress.
Yeah. If you go to the next apartment complex behind us, there's just one way. Go in. You drive in this way, you go around the corner and step the very into the right.
The next,
directly behind us.
Okay. How many units up here? 80 and 85. That's pretty nice. 160. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool.
I think floor plans in this right here. Right here, 2 bedrooms.
Okay. That's not that big.
It's a lot of information on that one little thing there.
Yeah, it is. It's not that big.
Fax number, phone number, address, everything.
Okay. Well, I'm going around. You said it's right?
Yeah, right down bottom hill. Right as you go out the front entrance here.
Go out the first, make a left. Next one, make a left and left. Okay, sounds easy.